हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो हाउ टू मेक कलेक्शंस इम्यूटेबल है। लाइक व्हेन वी डिक्लेयर एनी कलेक्शन बाय डिफॉल्ट इट इज म्यूटेबल। सो लाइक स्ट्रिंग हाउ टू मेक कलेक्शंस इम्यूटेबल। लाइक कलेक्शंस इज लाइक list list is an interface, and below of this classes like array list, linked list, etc. And collection is set. Here has set, tree set, and map is also has map, tree map. So these are collections which when we create it is by default mutable, so we can change further. So how to make it immutable in today's topic. So there is a two ways for creating collections immutable. The first way is using factory methods. Factory methods is like list.off, set.off, map.off, etc. These are the methods for creating collections immutable. And the second way is that using collections dot unmodifiable collection function. This is the function which creating collections immutable. So example, like this is our main class and this is our main function. Inside we firstly create a list of integer. List can create any data type. We use here integer. So list equal to, for creating immutable, first we use these methods. Like if we creating list, then list of, here we pass the element as we want, 1 2 3 4. These are some. Now initially this list is immutable because we create using list of functions. After that, if we want to perform any operation, like we perform any operation which but without changing this, like we cannot insert element. If we want to insert element, like here we want to insert 6, so this operation will give an exceptions which is unsupported operation exception. This exception is generated when we try to this method. The another ways, let's second way is that this is our public class and this is our main function, main class and main function. These all are in small letters. This S is capital letters. So second way is like initially we create list of integer. Here we add some element. We also give here elements. List dot add. After that, Currently these operations that does not give any exceptions, but now if we now after using this function we assign the list. Here we pass list. After using this function we create it as a unmodifiable list. So now if we try to add element, then this operation will give an exception which is called unsupported operation. This exception is generated when we try to this. So this is all about creating collections immutable. So thank you guys.